This is a one-owner 2020 Toyota Tundra CrewMax SR5 with a 5.5-foot bed, 8 cylinders and 5.7 liters. AutoCheck gives this truck a score of 96 out of 95. Shows no history of being involved in any accidents or having any damage reported. You can view the AutoCheck report by visiting www.onyxautosales.com. Here is what the truck bed looks like. It already has a nice lining and a cover on it that can fold back to open it up. It has a towing capacity of up to 9,800 pounds. Come over here where I have a little more space. You have nice running boards. We had 4 brand new tires put on. The fuel rims. There's the tread on the tires. Let's go inside now. The interior is black leather. And I have a cute little helper today. Ainsley, say hi.
Hi.
Can you stand on the rubber floor mats, please? There we go. And you can see the seats are in excellent condition. No rips, stains, or tears anywhere in those back seats. Here's the front passenger seat. Oh, one last thing I forgot to mention. The bench can fold up in the back. Let me show you real quick. Move, please. So both sides can fold up if you needed to haul a larger item that needed to be protected from the weather. Okay. Here, this display screen is where your backup camera is. Let's see, here's your menu of options that you have. Then you have your climate control, your USB ports. There's you can drive an auto manual, and you have a nice spacious middle console. There are no caution or warning lights on. You're just over 76,000 miles. You have lane departure warning. There's your cruise control. Your audio controls, and then over here you have your mirror, your lights, your interior light, how bright you want it to be. Then you have your rear window. It actually slides down, your truck bed light, and auto brights. There's your power locks and power windows. If you're looking for a four-wheel drive vehicle to travel around in, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this for a test drive. We're located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you'll drive away smiling. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock.